Good morning to all. Today I am Gogula Krishnan from Dhanlakshmi Srinivasan Engineering College. Today we are going to see disk scheduling. Disk scheduling is nothing but how to handle permanent storage devices. We have hard disks, so how to can we store the data in hard disk? How can we take data from the hard disk? That is permanent storage devices. Set of data we will store in permanent storage devices, and at the same time we have to get from the permanent devices using some methods that is called disk scheduling. Here we are using two methods or two techniques, two concepts, that is seek time and rotational latency. Seek time is how much time it will take to access particular location and get the data. The header move from current location to the data storage location and access the data. The time taken is called as seek time. Rotational latency means time delay. If you want to access particular data, it will take some time to move from current location to particular location. That is called time delay. Okay, that is called time delay. That is called rotational latency. Now we are going to see disk scheduling. We are using several methods. So first we have set of values 98, 183, 37, 122, 14, 124, 65, 67. Okay, but the cylinder size is 200. So starting from 0 to 199. Head pointer is 53. Head pointer means current position. Current position is 53. So if we are using FCFS method, so FCFS is nothing but first come first served method. So in this method, the current position header going to first value, which is first value 98. So we move from 53 to 98. Next go to 183. Next go to 37. Next go to 122. Then go to 14, 124, 65. The final value is 67. The data will be, the header will be moved from this point of view. That is called as FCFS method, first come first served method. Next method, SSTF. SSTF is nothing but shortest seek time first. If you are moving from current location to which is the nearest value to you, it will be find out. Then the pointer will move from current location to nearest value. See this example. So header point is 53. We have set of value 98, 183, 37, 122, 14, 124, 65 and 67. So current position is 53. So nearest value we have 65 as well as 98. So which one is smallest value? Nearest value for 53 is 65, because the difference between 65 and 53 is 12, but the difference between 53 and 98 is larger than 65. So that we take 65 is the next element. So the header moved from 53 to 65. Next nearest value 65 having 67 as well as 98. So nearest value is 67. The cursor moved to 67. Next nearest value 14. So the 37. Next nearest value 37. The cursor move from 67 to 37. Same like that, SSTF goes to nearest value. The distance will be calculated. So which one is nearest value? The current position will move to the nearest value. It is called SSTF, shortest seek time first. Next, scan scheduling. In this scan scheduling, the header, this arm is moved from any one direction. Maybe it's left to right or right to left. That moving time, the arm will be read all the data. That is called scan scheduling. So in this example, the current position is 53. So it's move to 37, 14 and finally reach the starting position 0. Then again goes to left to right. Then at the same time it will read 65, 67, 98, 122, 124, 183. Finally stop that position. This is called scan scheduling. Same the word having scan. So the scan from left to right or right to left. Okay. it moving any direction. There is no conditions to move left to right or right to left. You can choose any direction. That set the direction, it read all the data. Once it reach the starting position or ending position, again return back, that read all the data to finish the goal. That is called scan scheduling. The disk arm start at one end of the disk and moves toward the other end, servicing requests until it gets to the other end of the disk, where the head movement is reversed and the servicing continue. Sometimes it's called as elevator algorithm. Okay. So next one, C-scan scheduling. So scan scheduling, C-scan scheduling, both are same like that. It's once moving from left to right or right to left, it read the data. The main difference is it read the data in any one direction, like from if you're starting left to right means once you reach the destination, it again goes to starting position and read the data left to right. Okay, see this diagram, it's starting with 53, then goes to 65, 67, 98, 122, 124, 183, finally reach the end 199, then reverse back. This reverse time, it will not read the data, it goes to 0th position, again goes to left to right, 1437. It is called C-scan scheduling. That is the main difference between scan and C-scan scheduling. So it's provide more uniform wait time the scan. The head moves from one end of the disk to other, servicing request as it goes. When it's reached the other end, however, it immediately return to the beginning of the disk without servicing any request on the return trip. It cannot read data in return time. It read data in one direction only, left to right or right to left. It cannot read the data in both directions. It is called scan scheduling. Next one, C lookup scheduling. So the main difference between C scan and C lookup scheduling is it will not goes to starting and ending position. Okay, in C scan scheduling, it goes to both end, that is starting 0 and ending 199. But here the set of values will be reached. That is, for example, here moving to 53, 65, 67, 98, 122, 124, 193 is the last value. It stopped and return back. Don't go to 199. That is the main difference between C lookup and a C scan scheduling. Once you reach the destination, the starting point is 14. So start with the 14, again goes to 37. That is the main difference between C scan and a C look. In C scan scheduling, it goes to both end and beginning stage, like 0 to 199. But here in C look, it's not goes to both end, it goes only to the values, maximum value and minimum value. Here maximum value is 183, minimum value 14. So the control goes to 183 to 14 only, not 199 to 0. That is the main difference between C scan and C look. Last one, look scheduling. This look scheduling like scan scheduling, but this also having don't go end of the values like 0 to 199. What is the maximum value, what is the minimum value it will taken, and the control goes to between the maximum value and minimum value. Here minimum value is 14, so the control is goes to 14 to 199, 183 only, not goes to 199. That is the main difference between scan scheduling and look scheduling. So here we have seen different type of disk schedulings. So disk managements. In disk management, we have two type of formatting: low level formatting, high level formatting. In the low level formatting is completely remove all the data. It's also called as physical formatting. High level formatting or logical formatting remove temporary data only. It is the main difference between. This is MS-DOS disk layout. We have boot sector, fat allocation, root directory, and data blocks. Thank you.